In this video, I highlight the many different types of runners in Jamaica. Keep watching to see if your favorites made the list.
Come let me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. Run is a very versatile word in Jamaican Patois as a verb, and just a quick reminder, a verb is an action word. As a verb, it has the same meaning as in English, which means to move at a speed faster than walking. The meaning is not limited to this, though, as you will discover later on in this lesson. The common spelling is the same as in English, R-U-N, but the Cassidy JLU spelling is R-O-N. Both spellings are acceptable. Runner is a noun, and a noun is a word that names things, people, and places. In Jamaican Patois, this is pronounced rona. Rona. The common spelling is rona, R-U-N-N-A, but the Cassidy JLU spelling is R-O-N-A. Now, run is used in many idioms and phrases, and we have many different types of runners in Jamaica. So here are 10 types of Jamaican runners. Number 1, Jamaican athletes or Jamaican runners. It's no secret that Jamaica produces world-class athletes. Some people even call Jamaica the sprint factory of the world. The fastest man and woman alive are both Jamaicans. In Jamaican Patois, Jamaican athletes or runners are called rona. At number 2, we have another type of rona. This one is for furniture. In many Jamaican homes, you will see these brightly colored decorations. In Jamaican Patois, this is called rona. At number 3, we have belly. In Jamaican Patois, we have the phrase running belly. Running belly is diarrhea in English. Common phrases you will hear surrounding this are, me have running belly, which means I have diarrhea, or him belly a run, which means he has diarrhea, or mine your belly start running now. This means be careful that you don't get diarrhea. Number 4 is mouth. In Jamaican Patois, you will hear the phrase run your mouth. This means to talk a lot or to talk too much. Other variations of this phrase include stop run off your mouth, which means stop talking so much or be quiet. Tell him to stop running mouth. This means telling him to stop talking. Your mouth is a run a galang so. This means you just keep on talking. You see your mouth, I'll be a run that run, you know. And that means all she does is talk. Number 5, taxi or buses. Not only do buses and taxis run, but people can actually run a bus or run a taxi. Let me explain using a few common phrases. The bus ya run from Ochi to Mobile. This means the bus route is from Ochias to Montego Bay. And in Jamaica, Ochias is called Ochi, Montego Bay is called Mobile. Him run bus. This means he is a bus driver. The taxi I run today? This means, is the taxi running today? Will I be able to get a taxi today? Is the taxi on the road today? And next, them I run robot taxi. This means they are driving or they are operating an illegal taxi. Robot taxi in Jamaica means a taxi that is not registered. Number 6, boat. The phrase run a boat in Jamaican Patois means to cook. Originally, this means outdoor cooking when friends are gathered, but some people use it to mean cooking in general. Common phrases include, "Make we run a boat now?" This means let's cook something. Or, "We did run a boat when we did go a river." This means when we went to the river, we cooked there. Number 7, things. Ask any Jamaican and we'll tell you that we run things, things no run we. This generally means that we take control of situations and try not to let them get the better of us. We try to do what we can to ensure a good outcome. To run a business, a shop, a store, a company also has the same meaning of controlling or overseeing. Number 8, Rondon. This phrase has 3 meanings. It can mean to chase. For example, "The man run me down." This means the man was chasing me. It can also mean to argue. For example, "Then me can't run me down so." This means, why are you arguing with me? And this is usually used when someone is trying to prove a point, but you know the truth or you already know what it is, but they keep arguing with you. So you can ask them, "Why you run me down for? Why do you keep bringing up this same point?" or something like that. And third, it can mean a Jamaican dish. Now, this is a picture of what a Jamaican dish called Rondon looks like. It's made with, there are many different types of Rondon, but usually what makes it a Rondon is the coconut milk that the particular fish is sauteed or simmered in. So it's usually made with like salt mackerel or salt fish or something like that, but it's sauteed or simmered in coconut milk, and that's the Rondon. Here are some pictures of what those look like, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you ever get a chance to visit Jamaica, try this dish. I recommend it 100%. Number 9 is Ronpandong. This phrase in Jamaican Patois means to run around or to run up and down. To not stay still. Children are usually running up and down when they are not staying still or in one place. Example sentences are, "You are run up and down from morning. Go take up your book, man." This means you have been playing all morning. Go and read a book. And Jamaican parents are notorious for telling their children to go take up a book. Go and read a book. Next, go on out a door, go run up and down, man. You lock up in the house from morning. Go on out a door, go run up and down, man. You lock up in the house from morning. This means go outside and play. You have been inside all day. And the next example sentence is, "All you're good for run up and down." And this means the only thing you are good at is playing. Or find something more constructive to do than just playing. That kind of idea. And number 10 is a runny nose. A runny nose may not be unique to Jamaica, but the Jamaican Patois expression would be considered unique. You might hear, "My nose a run." My nose a run. And snot is called nose knot. So, those were the 10 things that I could think about that run in Jamaica. What did I leave out? Can you think of any other Jamaican Patois phrase that utilize the word run? Please let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you are still here, thank you for sticking around. I am going to show you the grammar and verb conjugation of the verb run. In Jamaican Patois, the verb doesn't change. the person before it changes, but not the verb. Now let me explain. So in English, you would have I run. He runs, she runs, it runs. We run, they run. Now, if you notice for the persons, and here the persons are I, he, she, it, we, and they. The verb changes depending on the person. So I run without an S. He, she, it runs with an S. We run, no S. And they run. So we use run or runs depending on the person in front of it. In Jamaican Patois, however, the verb doesn't change. So the verb is run. I run in English would be me run in Jamaican Patois. He runs would be him run. She runs, she run. It runs, he run. We run, we run. They run, them run. So if you notice, the verb doesn't change. But the persons in front of it, the personal pronouns, they change, but the verbs don't change. And in this part of the lesson, I'm using the common spelling, which is R-U-N. But the JLU spelling is R-O-N, and that could also be used. But the common spelling is more mainstream. Now, the verb also does not change for tenses. Now, in English, we have many different types of tenses. We have, for example, present tense, past tense, future tense, and all of those. In some cases, the verb would change. For example, run, the past tense of run is ran. So the present tense, I run, the past tense, I ran, and that's in English. However, in Jamaican Patois, once again, the verb doesn't change, but the words before the verb changes, and that tells what tense we are talking about. For example, I run in Jamaican Patois, that would be me run, as I said before. The past tense, I ran, would be me did run. I was running, me did a run. I am running, me a run. I will run, me a go run, or me will run. I will be running, me a go a run. I did not run, me never did run. I was not running, me never did a run. I never run, me never run. I don't run, me no run. And these are just some examples, okay? Okay, well, that takes us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out some of the other lessons that are on this channel. Also, if you have any questions or grammar points that you'd like me to cover, please leave those in the comment section below. And also, if you made it this far in the lesson, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. Leave a star in the comments because it shows that you watched the entire video, and I really feel motivated to continue to make more videos like these when I know that people are watching them and, finding some form of value from them. So thank you so much. That takes us to the end of this video. I hope you found some value, and thank you so much for watching. Please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, Take care of yourself, Zine.